This is the brief on Chromebook re-provisioning. So, when a school Chromebook needs to be reset and reassigned, there's a strict two-part physical and digital checklist required to get it securely back into the hands of a student. Honestly, think of it kind of like flipping an apartment for a new tenant. You've got to deep clean the unit, change the name on the mailbox, and update the landlord's database. We're going to move systematically, right from the physical device straight into the administrative backend. First, we need a clean slate. You'll boot up the Chromebook and initiate a Powerwash, which is basically a total wipe. To do this, you've got to use the exact keyboard shortcut, Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus R. Just let the device continue to the update page and finish its initial updates. Second, the reassignment. This is changing the name on that mailbox. Once the device hits the enrollment screen, you must assign it to the proper school. Then, check for more updates. Now wait, why are we checking for updates twice? Well, a fully patched operating system is absolutely the only way to ensure security and usability before handing it over. Finally, the Backend Sync. Look, wiping the physical device is literally useless if the central administrative database doesn't know it's active again. Time to update the landlord's database. Jump into EIQ, the school's asset management system. Look up the device using its serial number and click Edit Asset to place the Chromebook back in service. Lastly, go to Google Device Data Device Sync to push the data to Chrome. To successfully re-provision a Chromebook, you must power wash the hardware, enroll it in the correct school, and push its active status to the EIQ asset system.